These notes are on subtracting polynomials, which once you see this, you'll see that it's very similar to adding them. The only difference is now you need to distribute that negative sign. So in this case, hopefully you remember the distributive property. You're distributing the negative sign to both the 4p and the 2. Basically, you're switching the signs and changing it to addition. So now this becomes 8p plus 6 plus negative 4p minus 2. And then you just continue it like an addition problem. So 8p minus 4p, that's going to be 4p. 6 minus 2 is also 4, so this is plus 4. There's your answer. Okay, let's look at number 2. This is a trinomial here. So distribute that negative sign. And no, you don't have to draw those lines if you don't want to. You can just go ahead and change all 3 of those signs if you want to. I'm going to write everything out. So 9y squared minus 6y plus 3, that first trinomial doesn't change. Switch it to adding, and now it's negative 5y squared plus 3y minus 2. Okay, 9y squared minus 5y squared is 4y squared. Negative 6y plus 3y, that's a negative 3y. And 3 minus 2 is a positive 1. So there's your answer there. Okay, let's look at number 3 down here. And you are welcome to pause this whenever you want to and try these on your own. You will have 3 after these to do on your own. Okay, so distribute that negative sign. That is 15g squared plus 6g minus 3 minus 10, plus negative 10g squared minus 2g minus 2. 15g squared minus 10g squared, that's a positive 5g squared. 6g minus 2g is a positive 4g. Negative 3 minus 2 is a negative 5. So there's the answer. Okay, 2 more. And on this one, I'll show you the shortcut way if you don't feel like writing everything out like I did up here. Switch this to adding. Change this to negative, change this to positive. So you could do that as well, or you could do like how I did up here with the arrows and write everything out. Either way is fine with me. So now I have 5x cubed and plus x cubed, that's going to get me 6x cubed. 14x squared minus 2x squared is a positive 12x squared. They're not like terms, so I cannot go any further. Last one, I'm going to change this to adding. Change this to a negative 5, a negative 2, and a negative 3. Okay, let's do this. 4y squared minus 2y squared is 2y squared. Let's see. I'll just go in order here. Negative 1 minus 5 is negative 6. 8y does not have anything to go with, so that just stays as a positive 8y. And negative 3x doesn't have a buddy, so that just stays the same. Okay, now you need to put it in order. Now remember, highest degree goes first, so this is going to go first. And then after that, I have 2 with a degree of 1, but it goes, alphabetical order. So that's negative 3x first, plus 8y minus 6. There is your answer. Okay, So now what I would like for you to do is either continue this on the front side, depending on how big you wrote, or flip it over to the back, and you have these 3 to try on your own. When you're done with these, you can bring them up to my desk and check them. I'll have the answers on my desk. And then you can go ahead and you can turn those in as well. Make sure your name's on them. Okay?